afternoon, State Senator Wendy Davis is expected to announce that she is running for governor.
The Associated Press is reporting Wendy Davis will run for Texas governor.
We're here, of course, because we care about Texas. We're here because we care about Texans. And we're here because we believe it's time to give all Texans a voice in their future and a place in Texas' future.
I'm honored to welcome our next governor, State Senator Wendy Davis!
Stories from across Texas. Wendy Davis continues to outrace her opponent.
We want Wendy! We want Wendy!
It's time for each of us to work as hard as we can and to fight for the very future of this great state. Now is the time for a governor in Austin who will be a voice for all hardworking Texans.